Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to take a screenshot of an entire website using a Chrome extension called Go Full Page. Open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Go Full Page and hit Search. Click on the extension and then click Add to Chrome to install it. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once installed, go to your Extensions menu, the puzzle icon in the toolbar, and pin Go Full Page for quick access. Now, here's how to use it. Open the website you want to capture. Click the Go Full Page icon in the Chrome toolbar. It looks like a small camera. The extension will automatically scroll through the entire page and capture it. Once the process is complete, a preview of your screenshot will open in a new tab. From there, you can download it as a PNG or PDF by clicking the appropriate option. And that's it. Quick, easy, and super efficient. Try it out and let me know how it works for you.